Hello everyone, I am Jaizen. Right now I am pursuing in second year of BHM in Manipal University, Jaipur. Today I will be preparing eggless donuts. Now we will be taking little bit of warm milk and add the sugar in this. After the sugar is being dissolved, we will be adding the yeast and give it a rest for 10 to 15 minutes or by the time the froth comes on the top. Now take the flour, make the hole in the middle, add salt at the edges of the flour and a mixture of yeast, milk and sugar in the middle. We will be doing this because salt is the enemy of the yeast and it will be killing the yeast if we add in the middle and the dough will not be rising. So we will be adding it at the edges of the flour. Give a stir to the mixture and put it in the middle of the flour. Now add the water in the flour and knead the dough. Now our dough is ready. We will be kneading it for some time to release the gluten and make it stretchy. Stretch the dough and put the butter in the middle and knead it again to mix the butter in the dough. After the butter gets mixed, we will be applying some oil in a bowl and put the dough in the bowl for giving it rest and let it rise to the double in the size. Now cover the bowl with the clean wrap and leave it in the warm place for 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes. Now our dough is been ready or raised after the rest. Remove the clean wrap, transfer the dough from the bowl to the flat surface and knead it for 1 or 2 minutes. Now dust the flour on the surface and with the help of rolling pin make the sheet of 6 mm in thickness. Now take a small bowl and a bottle cap to cut the donut shapes. Firstly, dust the flour on the bowl and a bottle cap and press the bowl on the sheets to cut the perfect circles from the sheet. After the completion of the outer circle, we will be cutting the inner circle with the help of bottle cap. Now take a tray, lightly dust the flour in the tray and place the cutted donuts in the tray. And give the rest for 30 minutes. Now we have arranged all the donuts in the tray and we will be giving them the rest for half an hour. Now heat the oil on medium flame and put a small part of leftover dough in the oil to check the temperature. Now after getting the correct temperature, lightly put the donuts in the oil and deep fry till it gets the golden color. After frying it from both sides, take them out from the oil and absorb all the oil with the help of a tissue paper. After absorbing the oil, our donuts are ready for the plating. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 2 tablespoons of the sugar powder. Mix them well and with the help of the sieve, apply it on the donuts to give a flavor to it. You can also apply or dip them in the chocolate ganache or the melted chocolate for the different flavor.